some time to write down?
Ma'am, can you please repeat again? What
What
were you?
What were your favorite holiday destination when you were a child? I'm
Okay,
writing it
okay,
in the
okay, okay.
chat box.
Okay, ma'am, got your points.
What were your favorite destination when you were a child? Yeah. Okay. You can take 5 minutes of yours and then start. Now, Kundan, you have got now what you have to do with the link,
Yeah, got it, ma'am. No issue.
right?
There won't be
Yesterday
an
there
issue.
was an issue, that is why it cropped up.
No, ma'am. I think I didn't complain. I don't know from where she get the feedback. I don't know.
She said so, you told so.
But I don't think so, ma'am.
चलो ठीक है फिर अभी आप कर लो टॉपिक
Okay,
प्रवीण जी आप भी कर लीजिए व्हाट वर योर फेवरेट डेस्टिनेशन व्हेन यू वर अ चाइल्ड यू कैन जॉट डाउन पॉइंट्स एंड देन वी कैन स्टार्ट अनदर 2 minutes.
okay. दिक्कत हो
Hello, hi Kundan.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, Praveen, you can start. What were your
Okay.
favorite destination when you were a child?
When I was a child,
Your voice is not coming.
hello, I'm audible.
Not much.
Hello, hello.
No, your voice is not coming. You please rejoin. Kundan, you can start.
Okay.
Should I start, ma'am?
Yeah, yeah, please start.
So, ma'am,
Yeah.
I think from my very childhood, I have been in hostel since very first class, from very first standard. So, uh, I have I have spent very less time at my home. However, so there was, there was no such thing as a, matlab, I mean, intended destination at that time. But
Hmm.
but in my fifth class.
Hmm.
But in my fifth class, I forced my parents to, get my examination of Sainik school in Simla. So
Hmm.
when I went there, I saw the scenery, I saw the ice there.
Hmm.
So at that time, I decided that I will go there. I will come there again, because
Oh.
at that time only I decided that it's a place I can, I can visit again. So that was one of my destination. Apart from
Hmm.
that, I at that time I at that time another destination, my favorite destination was Jew,
Hmm.
because I was very adventurous guy at that time. After seeing so many
Hmm.
cartoons and so many movies at that time,
Hmm.
I
Hmm.
was fond of, I was I was fond of watching how giraffe, how lions looks like. So these two
Hmm.
were my favorite destination at that time.
Which one? Which one are you talking?
Especially, ma'am, Jew at that time. Jew was my favorite destination.
Juhu. Zoo.
Yeah, Jew,
Zoo.
Chiriyaghar. Yeah,
Okay. Yes, Praveenji. Yes, you can start.
Hi. Uh, I'm audible now.
Yes, yes, audible.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So when I was a child, I used to go. Actually, it's a village. I never went to any hill station, any destination. Actually, in my childhood. So usually I went to go. I used to go my nani's place. It is actually a village. It is
Hmm.
situated in MP,
Yeah.
and there is so many hills and so many dams. So
Hmm.
I whole family gathered there,
Hmm.
and I used to go hills, ride on hills.
Hmm.
There was so many big stones,
Hmm.
and historical. It is very historical place.
You can keep
And
your mic in front of your mouth because I'm not able to hear much what you are trying to say.
hello,
Yeah.
hello.
Yeah.
Yes.
Audible. You can speak.
Okay. So actually, it was a hill station like village.
Hmm.
There was so many hills,
Hmm.
and there so many huge stones, and
Hmm.
it's a historical place.
Hmm.
So in that time on the stones, there was so
Hmm.
many drawings were sculptured, and
Hmm.
so many paintings on the then stones, and
Hmm.
so many temples are on the hills, and
Hmm.
there was so many dams. So I used to swim also, and there was no culture in those days of swimming pool. So I
Hmm.
learned the
Good.
swimming in those dams.
Right.
So, so this was my uh, destination where I used to go in my childhood.
Okay, good. Nice. Okay, Sheba, you have joined.
Yes, ma'am, I am joining.
Please open your camera. I was waiting for you that where were you and why you have not clicked and joined.
Okay, okay, ma'am. I am busy in housework.
What was the issue?
I'm busy on my household.
Huh?
I'm busy on my household work, ma'am.
You know you have the class. You please take out half an hour for your demo. You please leave the household work apart now for
There is
half
a
an hour.
network issue, ma'am. Network issue.
Okay. I have given topic to others that what were your favorite destination when you were a child. So you can write few points and then I can give next topic to other two members. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
It's given in the chat box.
Okay, check.
Okay.
Okay.
Next topic to Kundan and Praveen is how do you react while meeting someone new?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay.
The camera off.
Yes, sir. Hanji, Praveenji, yes. Yes, you have done?
Yes.
Yes, tell me.
Uh, when I meet with someone who is new for me, we introduce each other and try to know more about him so that I can understand better.
You are again not much audible. Yeah. Yes.
I can.
No, lesser audible.
Hello.
Yes. Are you speaking?
Hello.
You have headphones with you.
I remove my earphone.
You have headphones with you, headphones.
No, I don't have headphone. I have a earphone only. I can check with another earphone.
Because you are not much audible, I'm not able to hear what actually you're trying to say then. Yes, you are not much audible. No, you are not audible.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Am I audible now?
Now
Yeah,
you're
yeah,
audible. Yes,
audible.
yes. Yeah.
Okay. So I remove my earphones.
Yeah.
I think there is some problem in not earphone. It is in some problem in its this app
Okay, you can
because I
speak
am
like
using
this because
earphone.
I have to go on with the wind up with the class by 10. So we have just 10 minutes left.
Okay, but it's started only 9:30.
I have the time from 9 to 10 only. The slot is from 9 to 10 only. So in between, I'm
Okay.
giving you 5 to 10 minutes to write down. So if you can speak on the spot, then it's fine. It's only
Okay.
1 hour class.
Yes, I know, but it's started at 9:30
No,
due
I
to
started by 9 only.
due
9,
to
9,
some
10.
members not joined.
So I have to wait for them, no?
Okay, so it's
Yeah.
started. So
Started at 9, 10, 9, 10, 9, 5.
you should convey to all attendees for uh, attend on time. If if daily,
Shiva is one who has come in this batch, na? She has to join. We were waiting for her, then she left. Again, she joined, then she rejoined, then she left. So this was the
okay,
thing.
okay,
So tomorrow on, we'll start from 9 to 10 only, the batch.
okay.
All right, okay. Yes, you start.
So when I meet with someone who
Hmm.
is for me, we introduce each other first, then try to know more about him so that
Hmm.
I can understand better.
Yeah.
Then I can discuss about the matter what uh, for what we meet with him.
Right,
So
huh?
then we can understand better him.
Hmm.
Like Mr.
And
Kundan, we are meeting with you and Mr. Kundan for speaking English. So
yeah,
we talks about the English topic or something about the English like that.
right. Okay, I think you can say that when we are meeting anybody for the first time, one needs to understand how you should speak, how you should behave, what kind of clothes one is wearing, how you are reacting, and how you are actually moving on. And this is what the things are. So, like in this concern, you are saying that one should meet in a very positive and a very nice way so that one expression and impression should be the best for the first time meeting.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Kundan, yes, go on. Kundan, go on.
As you said, first impression is last impression. So this
Yeah.
always, this always is my by intuition. This always in someone minds when someone meet with someone new. So he always try to be. He always someone. I mean, let's say for example, me. So I will always try to be nice and clean. I always will be monitoring him, how he's reacting, how his cloth
Hmm.
is. I always will be thinking how he will react if I will say something wrong or
Mm-hmm.
something awkward, let's say. So, of course, there would be nervousness because you don't know him. You don't know him totally, but that will be okay
Yes.
after some time
One feel
when you will.
nervous, one feels shy also. Reluctant,
Yeah,
hesitant. One feel
yeah.
hesitant. Hesitant and shy or reluctant. Okay. And what else?
Uh,
Any other points you have in your mind for when we feel when we uh, react? How do you react while meeting someone new?
no, ma'am.
Okay, this is the only points that when we meet somebody new, we should be well dressed. Um, we should not be doing anything negative. We should be well presented so that the impression or the expression which we are giving to the other person should be right in the right direction.
Yeah, that's
Second
correct.
point, second topic is how do colors portray an important role in one's life. You can speak on the topic Abhi right now.
Okay,
Yes.
ma'am. We
Right,
can.
yeah. Go on. How do colors portray an important role in one's life? Yes.
How to
Colors portray an important role in one's life.
colors portray? I didn't understand.
Colors, like for example, you are wearing a red color T-shirt. So this kind of a color portrays what? Red color. Red signifies love. Red signifies uh, you can say togetherness. If you're wearing a white color signifies purity. White color signifies tranquility, etc.
I
So
didn't
if
understand.
you're sorry,
I didn't understand.
colors. How do colors portray role in one's life? Colors.
Colors, okay, okay.
Yeah, color. It is written on the this
So
chat box.
it is liking about the colors.
Important role in one's life.
Color, okay.
Yeah. You want to speak on the topic on the spot, or you want to take some time?
2 minutes.
Okay, fine. Kundan, 2 minutes, and we can join.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yeah.
So color is very important for everyone's life.
Hmm.
It's portraits for so all color symbols for many things. Understand someone's nature who uh, about knowing after knowing that which color you likes, and
Hmm.
some colors portrays to different things, like white color portrays for peace, and
Hmm.
green color likes for eyes. It's a eco friendly color, and red color showing something danger.
Hmm.
And so every colors roles important roles in everyone's life. Some
Hmm.
so many people's likes light shades colors, and so actually by nature uh, they type of persons, simple person who likes the light shade colors, and who
Hmm.
likes dark colors. It's actually its nature also like so many dark type of nature.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
My understanding about the color.
Okay, Kundan.
Ma'am, color definitely plays a very important role in our life. From industrial perspective, I would say I mean, HR people don't hire people having color blindness issue. So we can see the reason behind is that something that is hot will glow red. So red signifies it's hot. Sometimes in our case, it signifies it is hot. So you can see if someone is not able to identify whether something is red or something is hot or cold, so he may be in danger. So
Hmm.
so definitely color has a role. If something is red, it means it is hot. If it is not, maybe it is not that hot.
Hmm.
Other like
Hmm. Hmm.
other thing, ma'am, like
Yes, talk about the color
uh,
thing.
uh,
You can say, as I've given you the example, now that colors portray an important role. How? Because colors are important in perspective of every individual. Like for example, if you're wearing white, it shows tranquility. I'm writing in the chat box. White
audible,
shows.
ma'am. You are audible.
Am I audible?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
White shows tranquility. Okay, then red shows vibrancy. Red is a very vibrant color, hot color, so it shows vibrancy. This is what I meant. Okay,
Ma'am, we had no idea which color signifies what. So
I'm giving you an
for
idea.
that
No?
reason,
So
yeah, yeah,
this
yeah.
was what your
Got your
point was.
points,
So
ma'am. Yeah, yeah.
blue shows pure. Blue shows like ocean and seas, so it shows depth. Okay, then white, red, blue. Yellow shows what? Yellow again shows vibrancy. Okay, then purple shows what? Purple shows. Do you know, Praveen ji? Purple shows what?
I don't know.
No, no
No,
idea.
no idea.
Purple shows richness. It is a rich color. Purple shows richness. Blue shows depth. Yellow shows vibrancy. Red shows vibrancy again. White shows tranquility. Purple shows richness. Okay. So this is what color portrays an important role in our life. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Yeah. Next topic was. Shall I give you one more topic?
Ma'am, I think I will have to go to take my food, ma'am. Now, otherwise, they will empty out everything.
Meaning?
Maybe they will take out foods and send somewhere. So I won't be able to take my dinner today. So
Okay,
maybe
then
I will have to
Praveen.
left.
Okay, Kundan, you can lead. Then Praveenji, you want to get what you want to know about one topic?
Okay, okay.
All right. ठीक है. Kundan, okay,
Okay,
bye
ma'am.
then.
Okay, bye, ma'am. Good night.
Bye, good night. Yeah. What are the challenges you find nowadays in the education system?
We face the challenges in the education system. Actually, there is no technical knowledge they are giving nowadays. They are giving basic knowledge like history, English, and Hindi. It's not
Hmm.
useful for
Mm-hmm.
coming years. Like we uh, we
Mm-hmm.
we all
Mm-hmm.
was MA, BA, but it is not useful for nowadays. So it
Mm-hmm.
good if technical and technical knowledge starting from the
Mm-hmm.
days. So it would be beneficial for the upcoming mm, generations.
Okay, huh. Challenges nowadays in education system that it is a rote memory system. The rote memory system has been started in all the schools.
Okay.
Rote memory, you mean you meant to know what is rote memory?
No, I think road memory is it's a routine which is going on from last so many years. Hello?
Memory is
Hello?
yes. So rote
Yeah.
memory system was there, which is nowadays here, and people are the kids are trying to learn through the rote memory system only. Okay,
So what is
and
road memory? Let
these systems are prevailing in from since beginning. So apart from it, practical knowledge should be given. Practical knowledge should be given. Practical knowledge should be given to kids nowadays so that they can understand the concept very well.
Mhm.
And anything apart from it you want to talk about, you please gather your own points then and let me know.
Sorry,
Gather 2 3 points and let me know.
your voice is not. Hello?
This
App is not working properly.
yeah, is my voice audible? Oh, connection lost.
Now audible.
Yeah, am I audible? Am I audible now?
Yes, yes, you are now. You are audible now.
Okay. Okay. So tell me few points. What are the challenges nowadays you face in the education system?
Same, you said that practical knowledge should be given,
Yeah.
and we can't follow the same teaching like we were
Mm-hmm.
in before. There
Mm-hmm.
was no practical knowledge, only theoretical knowledge has been
Mm-hmm.
given.
Right. Okay. And
So we can follow the new things like a practical and technical knowledge should be start from the beginners, like
mm-hmm.
fifth when children learn children learn how to speak, how to read, then they can start. little bit technical and practical knowledge.
Right.
So
Okay.
we
Practical and technical knowledge has to be given, and with such kind of knowledge, everything has to be taken under consideration. And these things should be seen that nowadays kids are learning more from practical knowledge. They are learning more from experiments. They are learning more from by doing things rather than writing and rote memory, and rather than copying things from the board. So such kind of things should be implemented so that they can always have good knowledge of the things.
yes.
All right. Okay. We can, this is, the time is 10:09 now. We can meet tomorrow or similar at 9 p.m.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Thanks a
Thank you.
lot. All
Okay.
right.
Good night.